Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Princess Peach costume is probably one of the most iconic and beloved characters in the world of video games, and what better way to celebrate her than with a stunning plus-size costume? Whether you're heading to a Halloween party, a cosplay event, or just want to bring some joy to your day, this costume is designed to make you feel like royalty. Get ready to step into the Mushroom Kingdom and embrace your inner princess. Number 5. Disguise Princess Peach Adult Accessory Kit. Transform into the beloved princess with this amazing accessory kit. It includes everything you need to complete the look and feel like you've stepped right out of the game. This kit is officially licensed, ensuring an authentic Super Mario Bros. Experience. You'll instantly recognize the classic design, making it perfect for any fan. Whether it's for a costume party or a cosplay event, this kit is ideal. It's designed to be comfortable and easy to wear, so you can enjoy the fun all day long. The kit comes with all the essential accessories to complete your Princess Peach transformation. It's a convenient and complete package, ready for any occasion. Step into the world of Super Mario Bros. And embrace the spirit of Princess Peach. This kit allows you to embody her grace and charm, bringing joy to everyone around you. What we like? This accessory kit is perfect for a quick and easy Princess Peach transformation. It includes essential accessories to complete the look. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss costume for a party or event, this is the one for you. What people say. Crown is not as shiny as it appears in the picture, which I liked. It's actually a decent quality item. Jewel, it's stick-on, but it's 3M and it worked great. Stuck to my dress all day. Gloves, I have small hands, and these actually fit. Probably the first time in my life that gloves didn't hang off my fingertips. I thought at first they were too small, but they stretched to fit my fingers, and stayed in place perfectly. Number 4. Leg Avenue Pink Princess Costume. Step into a world of fantasy with this exquisite costume. It features a stunning jeweled dress and matching crown. You'll feel like royalty in this outfit. The dress is adorned with sparkling jewels, catching the light with every move. The included gloves complete the look, adding a touch of sophistication. This is perfect for any princess. Make a grand entrance at your next event. This costume is designed to make you feel confident and beautiful. It's a dream come true for anyone who loves to dress up. The crown is the perfect finishing touch. It sits elegantly atop your head, adding to the overall princess vibe. This whole set is designed for a magical experience. Embrace your inner princess with this beautiful costume. It's comfortable, stylish, and sure to turn heads. Get ready to create unforgettable memories in this outfit. What we like? This costume features a beautiful jeweled dress, adding a touch of elegance. The crown and gloves complete the princess look. If you like a more glamorous and detailed costume, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The dress is pretty nice quality, and it worked perfectly for my last-minute Princess Peach cosplay. The colors and size are accurate to what is advertised. Fabric is very stretchy and not sheer at all. Decent costume quality dress. Number 3. Disguise Princess Peach Child Accessory Kit. This accessory kit is perfect for any young fan of Super Mario Bros. It includes everything needed to transform into the iconic Princess Peach. Get ready for hours of fun and imaginative play with this kit. Made with quality materials, this kit is designed to last. The materials ensure that it can withstand lots of use. It's perfect for Halloween, birthday parties, or any dress-up occasion. The kit comes with a crown headband and a pair of gloves. These accessories complete the Princess Peach look. It's a fun and easy way to bring the character to life. Whether it's Halloween, a birthday party, or just a fun night, this accessory kit is a great choice. It encourages imaginative play and lets kids step into the world of role play. It's a fantastic gift for any young fan. Disguise products are known for their fun, colorful, and inventive designs. This kit is no exception, offering a complete and engaging experience. It's a wonderful way to spark creativity and fun. What we like? This kit is designed specifically for children. It includes a crown and gloves, perfect for young fans. If you are looking for a costume for your child, this is a great choice. What people say. The dress is well made and fits perfectly. The The fabric is of good quality. The costume is very flattering. Number 2. Disguise Princess Peach Costume, Super Mario Bros. Want to dress up as your favorite princess? This officially licensed costume is perfect for any Super Mario Bros. Fan. It includes a beautiful dress and a crown, so you can look just like her. This is an official Nintendo product, so you know it's made with quality materials. The design is based on the character from the Super Mario Bros. Games. Get ready to have fun. This costume is designed for adults. It's a great choice for Halloween, cosplay events, or just for fun. She is ready to go on an adventure. The costume comes with everything you need to transform into Princess Peach. The dress is comfortable and easy to wear, and the crown adds the perfect finishing touch. You will love it. If you're a fan of Super Mario Bros., this is the perfect costume for you. It's a fun and recognizable outfit that will be a hit at any party. It is a must-have. What we like. This is an official Nintendo costume, ensuring authenticity and quality. It includes the dress and crown for a complete look. If you want a costume that is true to the character, you should consider this. What people say. The dress fit perfectly and was very flattering. The fabric is soft and comfortable. The costume is well made and looks great. Number 1. Disguise Women's Aurora Deluxe Adult. This is a beautiful costume for women. It's perfect for Halloween or any costume party. You will feel like a princess when you wear it. The design is very authentic. It is made with high-quality materials. This costume will make you stand out from the crowd. It is designed for a comfortable fit. You can move around easily. You will be able to enjoy the party all night long. This is the perfect choice for Halloween. It is a classic and timeless costume. Get ready to have a magical night. It is very easy to wear. It comes with everything you need. Just put it on and you are ready to go. What we like. This deluxe costume offers a premium design and quality. It is designed to make you feel like a real princess. If you are looking for a high-quality, comfortable, and eye-catching costume, you should consider this. What people say. The dress is well made and fits perfectly. The fabric is soft and comfortable. The costume is very flattering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.